Myself Ankit from Rajin from Ahmedabad. Today I am here to introduce Cisco's new series, that is 1800 series, Cisco Mobility Express series. Earlier there was a 1700 series in which we have to use cap and SAP for configuring the APIs. In the 1800 series, it device itself control a 24 APIs. Now we can move on to the configuration part. This is how the device looks. It has got a 48 volt DC adapter port and a PoE port to switch on the device through PoE switch or a PoE injector. Next, there is a auxiliary port and there is a USB port for programming or consoling for programming the. And the next port is a console port which is used for configuration or programming the device. Now there is a default IP of the device, that is 192.168.1.1. Switch on the device using an adapter or a PoE switch. Wait until the light turns to the green. It will broadcast a SSID called Cisco Air Provision. Please connect to the device, the wireless network, that is Cisco Air Provision, using a password. Using your favorite web browser, access to the IP, that is 192.168.1.1. The page appear like this. Here users use a credential, that is username will be the admin and password will be the password, PASSWORD. Now the next slide will appear like this. Here we have to provide a name, which the provided name. There is a next option in which we have to select our country. Then the next step will be date and time, and the time zone will be programmed here. Here the next option will be management IP address, in which we have to give a management IP address, then a subnet mask, and then a default gateway. The default gateway IP address and a management IP address cannot be same. We move on to the next slide. That is wireless networks. Here we have to create our wireless network according to our requirement. Here we have to provide a wireless network name, then a security type which will be WPA2 personal, and we can select our required password which we have to use for SSID or connecting a network. The next option is VLAN. We can configure VLAN also for this in this AP. The next page displays like this. This is a guest network in which we can also give a guest network, and we can differentiate between our employee network and guest network through using a VLAN ID. Our the guest we visited in our primary network, so we can configure here also a VLAN ID. The next step of this router is AP is for RF parameter optimization. In this we can select our density as per our requirement, that is low, typical and high. This uses traffic. This is used for traffic data, that is data, voice, video. So these are the three small steps to configure our AP, and it does not take a long time to configure it. As we configured this AP with our favorite browser using our laptop or a PC, similarly we can configure through our tablet, a smartphone. Just download a Cisco wireless app and follows these three simple steps to configure it. You seen here, it uses a Web2 technology, a simple 3 steps to configure a device, and it controls up to 24 APIs, one master device. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like on my page